points. This was by a actually geometrical ideas. This topic points by a sharp tip of the pencil mark. Pencil mark a dot on the paper. Sharper tip, thinner will be the dot. The almost invisible tiny dot will give you an idea of a point. Actually, basic geometrical ideas. The almost invisible tiny dot will give you an idea of a point. The point determines their location. These are some models of a point. For a point, if you mark 3 points on the paper, you would be required to distinguish them. For this, they are denoted by a single capital letter like ABC, the tip of the compass, the sharpened the pencil, the pointed end needle. A, B, B, C. These points will read as a point A, point B, point C. Of course, the dots have to be universally thin. Try line segment. Line segment, fold a piece of a paper and unfold it. Do you see a fold? This gives you an idea of a line segment. It has two endpoints A and B. Take a thin threaded fold its own with two ends and take it without a flag. It represents a line segment with the end segments by hands are the end of points. Other ends a segment, say B. Also make it by thread. The following are some models for line segment. An edge of the fox, tube light, visual postcard. The following are some models for line segment. Try to find more examples for a line segments from your surroundings. Mark and any two points A and B on a sheet of the paper. Try to connect A to B all possible routes. What is the shortest route from A to B? What is the shortest route from A to B? The shortest joint of point A, B including A and B. Show here is a line segment. It is denoted by AB bar and BA bar. The position will be the points including and B. Here is line. They are denoted by AB bar or BA bar. The points A and R and B are called the endpoint segment. A, B. So this way, second way, third way, fourth way. Try to find more examples for a line segments from your surroundings. Mark any 2 points A and B on a sheet paper. Try connect AB by possible in figure 4.1. What is the shortest route from A to B? This is shortest joint of a point A to B including A and B. Shown here is a line segment. It is denoted by AB bar, BA bar. The points A and B called the end points of the segment line. Imagine that a line segment from A to B, that is AB bar, extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in the other direction without any ends. You now to get model for a line. Do you think can draw complete picture of a line? No, the a line through 2 points A and B written AB. It extends identified identically in both directions, so it contains a countless number of points. Think about this. 2 points are enough to a fixed line. We say 2 points determine line. The adjacent diagram 4.3 is that a line is that of a line P written P Q dash. Sometimes line is referred to its like letter like LM. Here P Q in the same line M. Intersecting lines. Look at the diagram 4.4. Two lines I1, L1, L2 are shown. Both the lines passes through point. They are called intersecting lines. Both the lines pass through the point P. We say L1 L and L2 interact at P. If two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. Two lines, one common point are called intersecting. And the following are some models of pair intersecting lines. Try to find out some more models for a pair of intersecting lines. Here, two adjacent edges of the node pit. The letter X of the English alphabet. Crossing roads. Pair lines. Let us look at this table. The top ABCD is a flat. Are you able to see some points and the line segments? Are there interesting lines? No. Yes. AB and BC intersect at the point P. Which line segments intersect at the A at the C and the D? Do the lines AD and CD intersect AD, CD? Do the lines AD bar and BC bar intersect? Yes. You find that the one table surface that is line segment which will not now meet. However, for they are extended AD bar, BC bar from one each path. Can you identify one or more such pair of lines which do not meet on the top of the table? Lines like this which do not meet are said to be parallel and are called parallel lines. Think, discuss on the right. So, think, discuss on the right. Where L is the parallel lines. Try to find that and examples. If two lines AB bar CD are parallel, we write AB parallel CD bar. AB bar parallel CD bar. If two lines L1 L2 are parallel, we write L1 parallel L2. Can we write identify parallel lines in the following figures? Two crossbars for this window. The opposite side edges of the roller scale Real lights, beam of light from lighthouse, ray, ray of light from a touch, sun rays. The following are some models for the ray. A ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one point, called a starting point or initial point, and goes endlessly in a direction. Look at that diagram, figure 4.7 of ray shown here. The 2 points are shown on the way. Therefore, at the starting point B, point A, and for the other ray, we denote by AP. Think, discuss and write. PQ bar is a ray. What is starting point? When doing the point Q lie on the ray, can we say that Q is the starting point of this? Here is a ray OA, figure 4.9. It starts with O and passes through the point A. It also passes through the point B, OA, OA, O and passes through point A. It also passes through point B. Can you also name OB, OB, OA and OB, OA, OB are same here. Can you write OA, AO, OA, AO, OA or OA not? Draw 5 ways and write appropriate names for them. What do arrows on each these ways show? Curves. 4.8. Have you ever taken a piece of paper and just doodled? The pictures that are results of your doing are called curves. You can draw some of these drawings without lifting the pencil from the paper and without the use of a ruler. These are all curves. Curve everyday usage means not straight in the mathematics. A curve can be straight like the one shown in figure 4.4. Also that curves 3 and 7 in figure 4.10. Cross themselves, whereas the curves 1 to 5 and 4 in figure 4.10 do not. If a curve does not crosses itself, then it is called a simple curve. Draw five more simple curves and five curves that are not simple. Consider this 4.1. What what is the difference between these two? The first, that is 4.1, is an open curve, and the second, that is figure 4.2. 4.11 is a closed curve. Closed curve. Can you identify some closed and open curves from the figures? 4.10, 1 to 5, 6. Draw 5 curves, each that are open and closed. Open, closed. Position in a figure. A court line in a tennis court divided into 3 parts: inside the line and the line outside of the line. You can't enter inside without crossing the lines. A compound wall separates your house from the road. You talk about the inside compound or the boundary of the compound, outside compound. Here A, here B, here C.